What?
Yeah, right?
That's fucking crazy. I'm surprised they don't have more people driving like morons through there.
Yeah, that stretch is pretty legit.
That is actually really solid for like a short stretch like that. Like, I don't want to push it too hard. With the fucking.
Yeah, it looks like it rained here earlier too,
Yeah,
so there's no way you're going to be getting traction out here.
Yeah. Not gonna lie too, I have a little bit of a... Something is off in my second gear boost levels. For whatever reason, it's like you could feel it where it kind of goes like and. We're just trying to work it out still.
Yeah.
It's a work in progress, unfortunately. The tuner's been busting his ass to figure it out.